We actually saw home values increase in every capital city over April, and they're sitting at a new national record high. We had extremely strong growth, particularly in Adelaide and Melbourne. Adelaide has now surpassed Perth to become the best performing capital city over the past 12 months, and Melbourne actually appears to be finally making its comeback after massively underperforming the other capital cities over the past few years. We have seen population growth rates slow a little in Adelaide, and we are starting to see supply pick up. I think though that there's still, as a smaller market, any relative increase in demand can have a big impact, and we're still seeing pretty strong demand from all kinds of groups, including investors and also owner-occupiers in Adelaide. The fact that the median price of a home in Melbourne is now sitting below Brisbane, below Adelaide, Perth is on track to overtake Melbourne soon. If you look at the fundamentals of Melbourne as Australia's predicted fastest growing capital city, the lower value of the homes, I think we're starting to see people recognise that, there's really most likely only one direction for home values in Melbourne. Now could be a great time. There's still a relatively high level of supply of homes for sale in Melbourne, so there's a lot of opportunity for buyers. But I think that we're also really starting to see signs of investors coming back to Melbourne, even investors from interstate who are looking at the comparable values of Melbourne compared to the rest of the country and really seeing it as an opportunity. We do think home values have further to rise in 2025, and the main reason for that is that we are expecting that we'll see a couple more interest rate cuts. We know that if it becomes cheaper to borrow, that typically pushes home values up. So that's what we would expect to see. And I think on the other side of the election, we know that there's going to be policies to support first home buyers, which again would increase demand, which is very likely to push upwards pressure on prices as well.